Hello friends, welcome to all of you in your YouTube channel Kids Learning with Naina. Today I have a poem for you. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Come hop 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 hop. Come hop 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 hop. I cried little bird. I cried little bird. Will you stop, stop, stop? Will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? To say, how do you do? But the shook his little tail, but he shook his little tail, and away he flew, and away he flew. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.